back here in Kentucky. Sun just came up, so it's time to get something done. I muddy shoes from yesterday's jobs, so I took them off on the front porch and now they're frozen, but we'll use my feet to warm them up. Poured a little concrete yesterday. As you can see, the pad for this tank. So I'm going to strip these forms and I'm going to drain the tank so we can move it. It's about 8,000 pounds, so it'll need more than just 24 hours to cure. I think we'll give it a couple days, move the tank, and by the time it fills up, it should be ready to go. So I got this 2-inch sump pump hose, and I'm going to hook it to this tank valve and run it off in the creek so we don't wash this new pad or the entire cabin down the hill. So I'm going to put this hose on there to get it in the creek, like I said, and then we'll open that valve and drain this tank. Poured a little concrete here in front as well. This is going to be for the steps. Over there will be for the wheelchair ramp. It's going to come down the front of the deck here. But let's go inside. I'll show you guys what we're doing since last you were here. It's pretty awesome. Hi, George.
Hi, Steve.
How's it going?
Great.
Fantastic. This old house. So you can see, I get out of the way, this ladder. We got everything painted, drywalled, probably insulated since you guys were here last. We're putting some electric in now. Raised in here, sawing away in the ceiling. We got kind of some cool colors, but we're gonna get this ceiling done, and then we'll be starting on the floor tomorrow. Well, day 3, welcome back to scenic, tropical, warm and toasty Kentucky. I got up here a couple minutes before these guys, but as you can see, it's like 65 and sunny. I think we'll get a lot done outside today. Interesting trip so far. We are, I don't know what today is, day 4 of the concrete on Monday. Then on Tuesday we did the ceiling. Wednesday we did the floor. Today must be Thursday, I guess. So we finished the floor this morning. Looks pretty cool. And then we started putting in all of these doors. We put all the trim up at the ceiling here. Light fixtures, man, I did all the electric. So in here is this window bed kind of coming along. I'm going to take a minute here and explain it because I don't think it was super clear on the video that we did before. So this hangs outside, as you saw if you watched that video. It is in the bedroom. And it's got this ledge around 3 sides. That'll be where you set your drink or your phone. It's got an outlet in here. It'll have a light up at the top. But this spot in the bottom is the same size as a full mattress. A couple inches bigger so you can tuck in sheets and blankets. But this is going to give us a second bed in this bedroom. You can see here we got a closet. Let me step into the closet. Here's the bedroom, and this will have a queen bed in here, 2 nightstands, and probably just luggage stand, little closet and a window bed. So this one, if you've been following along, we're trying to make this ADA compliant, wheelchair accessible, I should say. So when you come through here, you can see we got this open floor plan. I didn't want to put these huge doors everywhere, like a 36-inch swing door. They look funny. So we put a double with 2 30-inch doors. Those are doors that we got out of a house, one of my rentals that we demoed. It was actually a flip house on that one. Then this one, you have to have 32-inch clear span. And that clear span is from the face of this door to the stop on the other side. So we were able to get that here. We had to make that door cut a 36 down. But other than that, you know, if you look out here, there's no lights yet. This deck is the same height as the floor in here. And this is a wheelchair ADA threshold. So it has very little slope or not much of a bump. I'd be a little concerned about that leaking, but it's going to be inside the porch. So it's really a small cabin. It's a 1-bedroom with the window bed. We're going to have a couch in the living room here. TV, coffee table. I've got this rocking chair that my wife found. So we're going to put the cushion in that. And it's not going to be much. We're going to put a little coffee cart over here. I've got a fridge in the corner. Like a farm sink, 60-inch wide unit underneath the window. Over here, I'll get some shelves, a little shelving unit. That's where we'll stack plates and stuff, because if you are doing something to be wheelchair accessible, you don't want a bunch of stuff in the upper cabinets, obviously. So we'll have some shelves down low, nice trim around the window. I'll hang a picture on the wall, make this place look, really nice. But here, between the front door and the electric panel, we're going to have a table underneath this light. It'll be a wheel in on the end, but we've gone to great lengths to try and make this accommodating for people in a wheelchair without looking like a hospital room. Here you can see I labeled the panel. Got all my stickers and my Bluetooth label maker, which is pretty awesome. And I think that's about it. Tomorrow we're going to be trimming out these windows and the door, get it ready. I've got some guys that are coming to tile the shower. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And Tully is coming, do a little more work on the front porch. It was a little icy this trip for us to get that done, so we're probably just going to let them frame it, post beam rafters at least. We may come sheet it, and we'll definitely roof it. And then it's a few details in here, but mostly siding, and away we go. So we'll bring you along. Anyways, I don't know if I'll get any footage tomorrow, so let's call it goodbye here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.